Since the ALMA indicator can produce a smoother and more responsive moving average variation, it can alert us to trend changes even if they are relatively small or quick changes of a trend. So when the market is flat and in a period of ambiguous low activity, there will still be difficulties in interpreting clear results, and there can be mixed outcomes if no decisive movements take place over an extended period of time. ALMA can still generally identify bearish phases when price moves and especially closes under it consecutively. But be aware there can still be some short-term difficulties, especially with volatile bearish retracements, whereas sharp downswings can readily be identified when price goes under the ALMA. Then bullish reversals and even continuations can often be clearly outlined once price continues to close above the ALMA. In summary, this indicator can have limitations when the market is volatile and in a period of ambiguous trading activity. It is best used with clearly developed or emerging trends. For example, bearish trends that quickly close and stay under the ALMA.